If you want to speak like a real Korean, you have to learn this. The linking rule. After you learn this, you can speak like more real Korean. And there are lots of rules for speaking smoothly, but we are going to learn the linking rule first. What is linking rule? When we pronounce a word and if a syllable ends with a 받침, 받침 is final consonant and the next syllable starts with 이응, the 받침 takes over the 이응 spot. 음악, 음악 is music. And there is a 받침, 미음. And next syllable starts with 이응. So when we pronounce, the 받침 미음 takes over the 이응 spot. So 음악. This 이응 spot deleted and 미음 takes over the 이응 spot. So 음악. We write like this. Right. Sorry for mouse drawing. 음악. When we write, when we pronounce it, 음악. 음악. Let's see few examples. You can learn about this linking rule and you can learn vocabulary too. It's really good. The first one is 한국어. It means Korean. So 한국어 is one word and 3 syllable. 1, 2, 3. Second syllable 국 ends with a 받침 기억. And next syllable starts with 이응. Right? So this 기억 takes over this 이응 place. So when we pronounce, we say 한국어. 한국어. If we say 한국어, it's pretty uncomfortable and there is little break. 한국어. I will let you know why it happened. When we make a vowel sound, our throat closes first and it makes a sound by opening our throat back up. Like this. Right? When we pronounce this 국어, our throat pretty choked and uncomfortable. So if we say like this forever, our throat really hurt. So we speak like 한국어. If we speak like 한국어, 국어, we only have to tip this part because 기억 pronounced from this part. 그. So if we speak 한국어, our throat is pretty comfortable. You can feel this. Repeat after me. 국어. And 국어. You can feel the comfortable. That's why we speak like this. And next, 음악. This is 2 syllable and first syllable ends with 받침, 미음, and next syllable starts with 이응. So we speak like 음악, 음악, 음악. And next word is 할아버지. 할아버지. It means grandfather. So 할아버지 have 4 syllable. And this is 받침. And next syllable starts with 이응. So we speak 하, 라, 버, 지. 할아버지. 할아버지. I hope you remember when we write a vowel, it cannot be only single vowel. Like we cannot write like this because it pretty look like uncomfortable, like unsafe, weird. So we add 이응. You remember this, right? And this 이응 doesn't have a sound. That's why this 받침 takes over this leer, like this. 할아버지, 할아버지. And next is 영어, 영어. It means English. 영어 has 2 syllable. And do you remember when 이응 as final consonant, 받침, we pronounce NG sound, right? So it sounds like 영어, 영어. And you can think like this 받침 takes over this 이응, right? So it have to be like 여어, 여어, right? Why this is different? I will let you know why. Because this 이응 have a sound, NG sound. So it cannot be deleted. If we pronounce like this 영, 응 sound just disappear, right? So we have to maintain this 응 sound. So we speak like 영어, 영어. Next one is 봤어요, 봤어요. I saw. And this original form is 보다, 보다. It means see. And we will learn about making past tense. But today we just learn about linking rule. These have 3 syllable, 받, 어, 요. And this first syllable ends with 쌍시옷, double 시옷, and it's 받침. So it takes over this 이응. So we pronounce like 봤어요, 봤어요, 봤어요. Pretty easy, right? I think you can be more close this rule. You can be friend. Next one is 갔어요. 갔어요. It means I went. The original form is go. Oh no. Original form is 가다. And it means go. and these have 3 syllables. First syllable ends with a 받침, 쌍시옷, right? 쌍시옷. And it takes over this 이응, right? So we pronounce 갔어요. 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 나는 학교에 갔어요. 나는 학교에 갔어요. I went to school. I went to school. I will buy drawing pad for real. Sorry about this. And next is 들었어요. 들었어요. Original form is 듣다. Listen. And 들었어요 has 4 syllables. And let's see the first syllable. It ends with a 받침, 리을. And next syllable starts with 이응, right? So we delete and 리을 takes over this 이응. So 들어. And there is more 받침 in the second syllable, 쌍시옷. And next syllable, third syllable, starts with 이응, right? So 이응 is deleted and 쌍시옷 takes over this place. So 들었어요. 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 And we can make a sentence. I listened music. 나는 음악을 들었어요. Right? 나는 음악을 들었어요. And we pronounce like 음악을 들었어요. Because one syllable. The first syllable ends with 받침, and next syllable starts with 이응. So this 미음 takes over this 이응 place. 음악. But there's 을 plus because it's object marker. We add object marker. So this 기억 받침 replace this 이응 again. So 음악을 들었어요. 나는 음악을 들었어요. I listened music. 나는 음악을 들었어요. 나는 음악을 들었어요. The next example is 찾았어요. 찾았어요. The original form is 찾다. Oh, sorry. 찾다. Find. 찾았어요 has 4 syllables. And first syllable ends with a 받침, 지읒. And next syllable, second syllable starts with 이응. So this 지읒 takes over this 이응 place. 자. And there is more 받침 in second syllable. So this 쌍시옷 replace 이응. Next syllable's first consonant 이응. So 찾았어요. 찾았어요. Let's make a sentence. I found love. 나는 사랑을 찾았어요. 나는 사랑을 찾았어요. And 사랑을 we pronounce like 사랑을. This is same, right? You remember 영어 because when we speak 이응 as a final consonant, it is 응 sound. So we pronounce like 사랑을 찾았어요. Well done. Today's lesson is end. So you learned first rule, the linking rule for speaking smoothly. Let's review again. When we pronounce a word and if a syllable ends with a 받침, final consonant, and the next syllable starts with 이응, like this, the 받침 takes over the 이응 spot. 음악. Congratulations, you are Korean now. And see you in the next video. I will make you a more Korean. 안녕.